to God, if you shoot, it's really close.
Oh, fuck.
Ow! Brett!
Are you not? Who is that?
That's Lauren with the camera!
DJ, fuck me. Oh shit.
Jesus Christ, you're close.
Are you on my team? Lauren.
What?
You on my team?
No?
Ah, hit, man.
Woo! I'm tired. Where's Brent?
He's up on the hill somewhere.
See, what you want to do against a sniper is run the fuck around.
Ryan, who's still in right now?
Fucking,
I'm not. I'm out.
Brett's somewhere.
I saw you, Dustin, and then you disappeared. I almost got you.
Right there.
I know, I heard it. Because I couldn't see you at all. Who got DJ?
Where the fuck is Brett?
Who you think got me? Fucking Ryan Nader here.
Seriously.
Oh, that's Brett? What the hell is he doing up there?
Is that Brett?
He's like in the field.
Stop filming.
Fucking hungry. I can't believe I fucking got way too close to Ryan and he got me.
There's a good shot right here. Take it. They cut me out saying it.
I do get sniped by Dustin so hard.
I hate you, ass. Fuck! Fuck me. People need to stop saying hit when they're not fucking hit.
Who said hit?